Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. So the host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now in today's video, we have a guest host and her name is Ebony Ivy and Time, and I am so excited. So Miss Leona from Ebony Ivy and Time will be joining us once a month, and it's such a privilege. Now, I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure, guys, and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Now, as you can see, we got started, and I am trying to make a meatloaf. So let's hope for the best at the end. Now I have some of the chopped meat inside this bowl and I am seasoning to taste, guys. So whatever seasonings you guys like in your meatloaf, go ahead and use those. But I use the basic salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, and then I built from there. In this particular recipe, my son wanted to try one of the condensed soups, and I believe this one is cream of broccoli. And then I'm using also cheddar cheese. So these are ingredients that I don't normally use, but I am incorporating it. Please pray for me. So as you can see here, we have an onion, and I'm also incorporating an envelope of the chicken bouillon. All of this just for flavor. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and put all of this together, and then I'll be popping it in out, guys. Okay, so I put my safety gloves on. I added a little bit of water and olive oil. All of the spices are in there. Now it's time to get this mixed and in the pan. Okay, now after I got this mix, I had already been preheating the oven at 370 degrees. And now we are going to go ahead and shape this in the pan and place this in the oven for about 1 hour. Okay, so after I finished getting this shaped, I divided it down the middle. I put the rest of the broccoli, the cream of broccoli, and then we poured a whole bunch of cheese on top, guys. And then in the oven it went. Okay, now let's head on over to the reveal. Now it's so moist, it literally broke apart, but it's so cheesy and it was absolutely delicious. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank all of the hosts, including the guest hosts, Ebony Ivy and Time with Leona Dooley, for hosting this collaboration. It was such a pleasure and honor to have you. So, if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.